Joshua Bango, Hiroguchi Nero, Nishin Boma Titan Bulu, Pimpin Tatan, with an light and Maneka.
That is levels. They even not close. They Kyoji about Kyoji and this Pantoja because they are not even close, in some conversation.
Tarimaka Dibabu, Joshua Banya champion Pilare, Lanjango Megon Tokebi, two national go Nishin Naga Sogara, Lupioso Dogevare.
And compare him to me, this is like a salt,
Sajang di inda Julia Manekap ka Joshua and Bob Lauti, Malaysia with Joshua get Lesura, to Ruchila Chayamba. In a building less US flyweight champion Joshua Ban Jango Mimian Gebare. Break them Yazuga Joshua Baha champion Chinny, the division Nega, Gongo fight up Chin 9 Elu. You saw Jabi Manekap Karo Eddie and Nico Low at the bomb to Gebabu. 2 year and Nya Hiroguchi Joshua Ban Tassend and Yaji Mene fight at the Optibi. Dilo Lumia go the Daniel Tapio Wuramatinda Wulu so Gebare.
People obviously would look at Joshua Van because he has the championship, but even more so, Pantoja. Alexandre Pantoja. You have history with him before as well. He was on such a run. But you think Kyoji is just more tricky, or like what makes Kyoji so much?
Team Begongo Manekap ka Atoli Pintan Epinetum Biangebare. Tu Amnesia Hiroguchi, Pantoja, Joshua Bandu Chama Asenta Kohachaka Chimare Lulesubare.
That is levels. They even not close. They Kyoji. About Kyoji and this Pantoja because they are not even close, in some conversation. There is good fighters, there is excellent fighters, and then we start talking about the championship fighters, and that is the levels of the GOATs. For me, Kyoji was one of the GOATs on the sports.
Eddie now Manekap ha Joshua Bango Tayak with Van Gabi. Joshua Van champion Lanjango Megon took Bakebare.
Joshua Van is even in that conversation, He's a champion, of course, right now, but he lost Charles Johnson. Charles Johnson knocked him out badly, His victory against Brandon Royval. To be honest, he lost that fight. He stole that fight with the knockdown in the last 2 rounds, because if we see the fights, he lost that fight, honestly. Against Pantoja, of course, the things happen what happen. He's a champion. I never take the credit from this. And the only guy he beats, honestly, was Tighter, And I knew he's going to be Tighter. And I told you he's going to be Tighter. But comparing him to Kyoji or putting him in the same conversation of levels, that is not even close. And comparing him to me, this is like a salt,
Joshua Van Tasuru Tayago and Nayugere Puepo Mara Manekap Tinji Amshivulu Sogevare. Davime Joshua Banya Chusa Atomuna grounding total Lambugo Chichu Togevare.
He's not impressed, but I was not impressed. I knew he's gonna be Tighter. I knew, and I write this. The style of Joshua is gonna be Tighter. But what has not impressed me, but what I can see, I can give the credit, was the hours of training he had. On the ground, he was composed. He didn't give the back. What is the best weapon for Tighter? Because Tighter wants to take advantage, because many people on the ground, normally to escape or to get up fast, they give the back. And this is where Tighter is the strongest, when he gets to the back. So you can see there was hours of training of Joshua Van, there he gets mounts, they're composed, he put the butterfly and start to get work from there without a give the back. So this one I give of course the credits, and I can see the kid is a hard worker and he learns fast.
Tagaro Manekap Joshua Bambo Lilamu Mishiva Topo Josu get a Pintan and Machadi Pibare. Manekapka Joshua Bango champion Thema Putabime, division a Congo fighter up to Domain Devavu. And Nagama Joshua Van Manekap to take a piece of my boys in Chelam Lasura, Sew and Zazia County Bare. Joshua Bangala Kulu Legida County 2 for Lidam Mushida Durigoma, Shribi a Tamatabe, Puyong Gambi, many on Lato and Dated to Mo, Manekap and Inele, Poebisi on Tamjilu Yang, Chutin Pukin Lokat Bare. Tilo UFC na MMA သတင်းတွေ interview ပါတော့ပြန်တွေကိုဆက်လက်ကြည့်ရှုခြင်းနဲ့ဆိုရင် channel လေးကို like and subscribe လုပ်ထားဖို့မမေ့ပါနဲ့နောက်ဗီဒီယိုတွေမှာပြန်လည်ဆုံတွေ့ကြပါမယ်